The standard form of a quadratic equation is also called the vertex form, and that's the form where y equals a times x minus h, that quantity squared, plus k, where a, again, is the same leading coefficient, and hk are the coordinates of the vertex. So let's do an example where we're trying to convert it from the general form into the vertex form. Well, in the vertex form, remember this a here is the same as this a here. So we know f of x is going to be 3 times x minus h quantity squared plus k. So now we need the vertex. So here's an example of finding the vertex. The 3 is our a value. The negative 12 is our b value. Well, remember to find the h coordinate of the vertex. We take the opposite b over 2 times a. So that's going to be the opposite of a negative 12 over 2 times 3. So that's going to be a 12 over 6. So we have an input value of 2 for the vertex. So we have a 2. Now we have to find the k. So that means the output value. So we're going to plug in that 2 into our original function. So we get 3 times 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 5. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24 plus 5. I believe that gives us a negative 7. So now that we have the vertex, we can plug that into our vertex form for the h and the k. So that gives us f of x equals 3 is still our leading coefficient, x minus our h, which is 2, quantity squared, plus our k, but our k is a negative 7, so plus a negative 7 is the same thing as minus 7. So notice as we're reading a vertex form of an equation that the x value is the opposite of what we see, and that the y value is the same as what we see. That throws off some people, but it's because of the formula. We're subtracting up here, but then adding that k value. So that's why the inside is the opposite and the outside is the same.